Hello, I'm Arya Kulkarni and I'm from Pachora, and I'm here at coloring classes to prepare for my portfolio for visual communications. Just as you can see in the background, we have made Tetra packages. As you can see, we are working on branding and packaging especially. And right now, as you can see, I have made a papad pack, and there is a one Tetra pack also. And as you can see, we have redesigned a papad packaging. First we digitally make it and then we convert it into a hard copy.